Today we wanted to introduce you to 15 sports played all around the world and how to say the names of those sports in English. Let's go play. This sport is called basketball. Basketball. This is an American football. I know in a lot of countries football means soccer, but here in the United States of America we call it football, and it goes like this. Kickball, and you use a nice bouncy ball like this, usually on a solid surface. Boom! Kickball. Now you need a good arm for this sport. This is called FRISBEE. FRISBEE. This is an American favorite pastime called baseball. Out of the park. So there you have it, baseball. Another sport similar to baseball is softball. You notice that the ball is a little bit bigger. Softball. Home run. Softball. See it? It's bigger. This is called volleyball. People like to play it in the summer times on beaches with a high net. They got two teams. You got to bump, set, and spike. Yeah, volleyball. Now this is one of the most popular sports around the world. Some countries call it football, but in English we call it soccer. No hands allowed. You must use your feet at all times. There you have it, soccer. Now this sport is called badminton. This is your racket, this is the birdie. The real name for this is shuttlecock. I like to call it a birdie because it flies like a bird. Badminton. Now this is a great sport. It's called tennis. I hit the light! One more time, tennis. Now this may look a lot like tennis, but it's very, very different. The sport is called racquetball. You have a smaller racket and a blue ball. You play inside of a court and you bounce the ball off the walls. It's called racquetball. We're gonna play some table tennis. Now this is a very popular sport. You play it indoors mostly on a little table. It looks like a miniaturized tennis court on a table, hence the name, table tennis. Oftentimes called ping pong. Isn't it fun to be outside? Heck, we got the neighbor mowing the lawn over there, and I'm out here playing pickleball. Pickleball. Now this is a great sport which comes all the way from the great country of Scotland. It's called golf. This is your club, here's your tee, and you're gonna put that ball right on top of that tee and swing away. Watch how it's done. Ready? One more. I'm not good at golf at all. I was like, shoot, 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 shoot. Looks good to me. Yes. Look out, Tiger Woods. I'm a golfer. Now this is a really fun sport. It's called bocce ball. The point is you want to throw this white ball over in the grass and then try to make the bigger ball get as close to that target as possible. Others will try to knock you out of the way, but your point is you got a second chance. You try and knock theirs out of the way and get closest to the target. So there you have it, bocce ball. Woo, that was a good workout. Now I'm cooling off here in the shade. You know, with all this quarantine business, it's so easy to get cooped up in your house, but it's so great for the mind to get outside, breathe that fresh air, play some sports, and practice your English while you're at it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that little bell button so you're notified. Until next time, this is Nathan Osmond saying, go play some sports, go practice your English, and I'll see you on the next video.